So dear viewers, we are going to make the curry leaf chutney sandwich. Which is suitable for Fridays of season of Lent, and it's easy, nutritious, and let us see how we are going to make. So the ingredients are: we need the curry leaf chutney, and if you are not sure how to make them, please refer to my previous video that how to make the curry leaf chutney. And I also have some ghee over here, and you can use butter as well, salted or unsalted butter. It's all upon your choice. And I also have 2 slices of bread, white bread. You may use brown bread, whole wheat, or whichever bread that you desire. So let us see. Without further delay, let's get into the kitchen and see how this curry leaf chutney or curry leaf chutney sandwich to be done. The sandwich. Let's get into the kitchen. Dear viewers, to begin, the first process is to toast the bread, and for this I am going to use ghee, at least about 1 to 2 teaspoons of ghee. And I'm going to put the first slice to be toasted. And we'll wait for the bread to be toasted. With the use of potato masher, I'm just going to rub the bread into the butter and just press them slightly with a gentle pressure, and with that we'll just flip it over. We may need more butter. We can just take whatever we have at this moment and rub some on top of it and flip the bread and rub as much as we can, and get the bread toasted, so both of them. Once this is done, and I will do the next one. And dear viewers, our bread has been toasted now, so we can go on with the second process of the making the sandwich. So we need about a generous heap, about 1 teaspoon approximately, or tablespoon, is up to you how much you want, and you just put it on and spread it on top of it, and place the other slice on top of it. And while using a serrated knife, and we can cut this sandwich gently, and we are almost done. And dear viewers, here is our end product of our sandwich, which is the curry leaf chutney sandwich, which is a common thing can be done with this. And so if you're not sure how to make the chutney, please see the description box below. There will be a link connected. And also if you are new to this channel, welcome aboard, and do not forget to click the subscribe button and also the bell button, so that when I post a new video you will be notified. So I hope you will try this in your home for the season of Lent, and eat well and stay healthy, and also observe your fasting and penance and sacrifice as well. May God bless you all in this fruitful season. Till then, we see each other in our next video. Till then, bye bye.